Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rahul, and today I am going to make the video on how to use or how to make bend order table in Creoparametric 5.0 during designing the sheet metal parts. Okay, so let's get started. Those who are new on this channel, so first of all subscribe, like and share and add it to your playlist, and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification and updates to your email. So let's get started. Click on file, take this new file, click on this sheet metal, untick this, click on OK, click on this millimeters and click on OK. Now this is our work space. Now first of all click on this planner and click on this front plane, and next click on this sketch view. Now take this center rectangle from this ribbon, draw it from the center of here of any dimension like this. Click on OK. System has generated one thin sheet of 1 millimeter thickness. Here you can see, but I want it should be 2 millimeter. Put over there and click enter on your keyboard. Next click on this green tick mark. Okay, now this is the primary wall. Now take this flange and select this downward edge. Here you can see two edges are highlighting. This is first one, this is second one. We have to select this second edge. One flange is generated, okay, having 90-degree angle and height 79.50. okay, so just reduce this height by dragging this point like this, okay, of any dimension. And here we can mention the thickness, inside thickness or outside thickness, or we can say bending radius also from by clicking here thickness. Click on this thickness, put 30 over there and press the enter. Now this is the 30 bend radius from inside. Okay, now click on this green tick mark. Next again take this flange and draw it or click this one edge. Okay, so one again second one flange is created over here and put thickness of 30. This is the bend radius. Okay, and click on this green tick mark and take this flat also, and to the second end of this geometry or model, select this downward edge so that it will be created to upside like this. Mention thickness, maybe I am going to put 40 like this. Now here this is the 40 bending radius. Click on this green tick mark. Now our object is ready to perform that operations, and you can learn in this tutorial how to make the bend order, and after that how to put all the information of this model with a proper format in proper layout of that drawing. Okay, so now first of all we have to make the bend order. So from this ribbon here there is a one bend screw. Click on the bends. Now click on bend order. Okay, adjust this screen for good visibility like this. Now if you move your cursor through over this drawing, so how many bends are there in a drawing, it will be highlighted. So this is highlighted, this is the first one bend. Click on this bend which is selected. Here you can see in the first sequence, this is the first bend, this is the location, bend direction, this is inside bend, here you can see, and the bend angle is 90. This is all the information about that bend, which is inside bend radius, which has been put by me 30 millimeter, and this is the bend length 48.124. okay. Now again move your cursor over this model, and this is the second bend. okay, so select this also. okay, like this. Here you can observe this model, and now in this chart also you can see this is the second bend, which is outward. okay, and having bend angle 90, and inside bend radius is 30. So like this we can capture all the information of this drawing or model in the proper format or in a proper table. okay, now we have selected these two bends, and the third one bend is remaining here. Here you can see, just move your cursor, so this surface is highlighted. This is the bend, click on this. okay, now I have selected all the bends in this model. There are total 3 bends. This is the third one, which is outward. okay, and bend angle is 90, and the inside bend radius is, which has been put by me, which was 40, and the bend length is 63.832. okay, so all the bend has been selected. Now click on this. okay, I have created bend order only. okay, and now I have created this bend order. okay, but I would like to print in a proper format, in a specific format, so that I can get all the information of this geometry. Means in that format there should be trigonometric or isometric form of this model, and the front view, top view, right view, all these, with including this bend order table. So first of all, click on this file, click on new, and from here we have to choose this drawing format. See, only drawing. okay, click on drawing, until this use default template, and click on ok. Again click on ok. So system has generated one sheet. Here you can see this is the sheet 1. okay, and now you have to click on the general view. okay, and click on ok. Now near this corner, click your cursor, select center point for drawing view. So select this point. One window will be created, and simultaneously here model is also generated. You can see, just click on apply and ok. okay, now this got fixed to this location. Again click on this general view, click on ok, and I am going to select this point. okay, just click here, one window is appear, and from here you can adjust this part like this. okay, and I would like to make front view to this location. So click on this front view, click on apply. Here you can observe this is the front view of that model, and next click on ok. And now again click on this model, so one window will appear. In that one command is there, projection view. Click on projection, so we can project the projections like this. This is the top, this is front, this is top, and for again click on the geometry and click on projection view like this, and click on this point. So this is front, top, and side. okay, left hand side view. So all the views are also generated with this model also. Now I would like to project the bend order table. okay, so how many bends are there in a drawing, and what is the properties of that all the bends and bend lengths. So just click on this annotate and click on this front view. okay, now click on this show model annotations. okay, now from here you have to select this all and click on apply. okay, and this just click on this cancel. Now all the dimensions are generated of this model. this is the width, length, and all the data, thickness also, two thickness, like this. Now what is remaining now? Now the bend table is remaining. Okay, bend order table. So again click on this drawing. Next click on the show model annotations, and from this one window will appear, and from this window we have to select this third one option, which is show the model nodes. Click on the model nodes and click on the select all, click on apply. Okay, so here you can see one table is generated. Okay, and click on the cancel, like this. If you zoom this table, you can get all the data of this model in this table format. Okay, first one is bend sequence. Actually I have added all these three bends in a one sequence. So this is the sequence one, here you can see, and number of bends, here are three bends. I have added only one sequence, and in the third, this is the bend 1 2 3. Okay, now this information about this is the first one bend, and the bend direction is inside, and say of the second is out, and third is also out. Okay, and here the next one is bend angle. Bend angle is 90 for all the three bends, and inside bend radius, which has been put by me, this is first one is 30, second is 30, and the third one is 40. And here is the bend length, which has been developed by the system. Okay, so you can move this table also, like click on this table and like this, like you can move this table as you want at which location, so you can move that up to that location and adjust all the things. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching this video. If you learn something new in this video, so hit the bell icon and like video and share your friends and subscribe my channel. And you can get all the videos or separate video for separate command to my channel, so you can check in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much friend for watching this video.